So guys, please keep the people in California in your prayers, because they said that the war, number 47, having a war with you know who, can possibly attack California. So guys, I'm going to just keep my family. I got family there. I'm going to keep them in prayers. You do the same. This is very important, guys. This is very, very important, guys. So please share this video, like, and, please follow this channel. This is very important. I didn't have no stock picks today because I was thinking about my family over there in California all day. I did do some trades today and I made $134. I'm just going to show you my entries and my exits on a chart, and you can learn how to do this too. I didn't do no ads for SoFi today. I would normally say check out SoFi in the description, but this is very different. This hits different. This is hitting home. So guys, with that being said, let's get into the stocks I made. Okay, so right here I made $120 in SPY. Right here you can see my entries. My profit, and this is my entry. This is the 15-minute candle. When it broke structure under the ORB support, I hopped in, but then it wicked up and it went green. I was like, bro, I shouldn't have hopped in. And then it went back down, right? Because I still stayed with the strategy. And then I was able to get a $120 gain right here, which was crazy. I thought it was going to hit my stop loss, but it didn't. When I got into the SPY, I was already up still $50. But I got greedy. I shouldn't have got greedy, and that's how I was able to make 120 off one contract, being greedy, which you shouldn't. That was rule 1. That's why I broke that rule, and I shouldn't have. And I need to work on that. And then my other trade, I was actually down about $5 and I made $14 right here in IWM. See, it did the same thing. It wicked up and it just rushed right back down. And I was able to get $14 out of this. I was down 5. And I was like, man, I'm going to get ready to get out. If I go to 10, I'm going to get out. One contract, cheap contract, I'm going to get out. But it wicked all the way down. And some people in the class in the Discord, they made like $50, but I got out because I was already, Theta would have ate me up, and I just got out. Theta did eat me up anyway. So I was able to get out of this trade. And like I said, guys, I'm not going to do a long video. It's a short video, guys. Just stay in prayers with the whole United States, guys, because they said it could be a possible drone attack. And then, it's just crazy, guys. Drones, it's just crazy, guys. Just stay in prayers, and I'll do another video tomorrow. I do have some drone stocks, which is honest right here. But that's all I'm going to show you. That's a good stock to get into for us. Not them, but for us. Because drones is pretty popular when it comes to wartime. I just want to share that one stock with you. But other than that, guys, God bless y'all. Stay in prayers, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.